Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer money from QuickBooks to bank account. In this walkthrough, we'll record a transfer in QuickBooks so your books accurately show money moving from one account to another. If your bank accounts are connected, QuickBooks can help you match the transfer to what appears on your bank feed later. Let's get started. Begin by opening QuickBooks and signing in so you land on the home page. From here, look toward the upper left area of the screen for the Create menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a plus sign or a New or Create button. Hover your mouse over this menu to reveal the available transaction types. From the list that appears, choose Transfer. This opens the dedicated transfer form, which is designed to move funds between two accounts you already track in QuickBooks, such as from your checking account to a savings account or a credit card. On the form, start with the Transfer Funds From field. Click this field and select the account you're moving money out of. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct source account, especially if you manage multiple bank or cash accounts with similar names. Verifying this now prevents the transfer from being recorded in the wrong place. Next, click the Transfer Funds to field. Choose the destination account that will receive the money. Again, double-check that the direction makes sense. Funds should flow from the first account you selected to this second one. If you're moving money to a bank account that's connected in QuickBooks, this will help with later matching when the bank feed brings in the actual transaction. Now, click the Transfer Amount field and enter the exact dollar amount you're moving. Use the full amount, including cents, and avoid symbols other than numbers and a decimal point. On many setups, you'll also see fields for the date and an optional memo. The date typically defaults to today, which is fine in most cases, and a short memo can help you remember why the transfer was made. When everything looks accurate, click Save and New. This records the transfer immediately and opens a fresh transfer form in case you have another to enter. If you're done, you can simply close the form after saving. You should now see this transfer reflected in the registers for both the source and destination accounts, and if your bank feeds are connected, you'll be able to match it when the transaction downloads. That's it. Your transfer is recorded correctly in QuickBooks.